In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable autofill of contact info and credit cards in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Safari. And on Safari settings, we need to get into autofill. That's where first off we can turn on or off using our contact info in autofill, and also we can turn on or off using our credit cards data in autofill. We can easily change that settings in that way. Also, we can change my info here. As you can see, now some contact is selected, so in any time we can switch it to another one. Just select a contact from your contacts book and it will automatically get all the data that is currently saved in that phone contact, such as street address, phone number, and all other information. And that's how we can configure My Info autofill settings. And once it is enabled, you will be able to use this data when you fill out some forms. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.